Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all my vision for bang bang shrimp. So if you'd like to see how to make this deliciously smothered shrimp recipe, keep watching. Okay guys, so now let's make the sauce that's gonna coat our shrimp and make it over the top delicious. So here I have some mayo. You can use vegan mayo if you wanted to. I have some light soy sauce or low sodium soy sauce. You'll need some sweet chili sauce, and you'll need some sriracha, and you do need the sriracha. So guys, when making this, you do need the sriracha sauce, so check those specialty shops that sell a lot of foreign ingredients to see if you can find it there. And I'm sure you can get the sweet chili sauce and this light sodium soy sauce. If you can't find this, you're going to use just a pinch of the dark soy sauce. So to your mayo, and I'm making a small amount. You don't need a lot of this sauce, especially if you're just doing a dozen shrimp. You don't want to drown the shrimp. So we're going to go in with our sriracha sauce, which is going to add that spicy element. And we're going to go in with some of that sweet chili sauce and a little bit of soy sauce. That's going to add some salt to this and give this a mix. Feel free to taste it and adjust whatever you need. If you wanted more sriracha in there or more sweet sauce. And once this is properly mixed in, go ahead and set this aside. Okay, now let's prepare the shrimp. So to my shrimp that are already cleaned and washed, we're going to add salt, just a little bit to taste. Don't add too much. And we're going to crack in 1 egg. You just want to mix the egg into the shrimp. I'm just going to go in with a splash of whole milk, or stay fresh milk as it's known in Trinidad. If you had buttermilk, you can use that also.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, so now to prepare the coating for the shrimp. So to my bowl, I'm going to go in with some cornstarch. This is going to help keep it nice and crispy. And to the cornstarch, I'm going in with some seasoned panko breadcrumbs. And I'm going to mix those two things together. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your shrimp, make sure that it's nice and wet from in that egg mixture in there, and we're going to put it into the panko mixture. We want it to stick. We want that panko cornstarch mixture to stick to the shrimp. And then go ahead and flip it over. Now if you wanted to make this with breadcrumbs, of course you can. And if you wanted to only use cornstarch, of course you can. So I'm gonna make sure once well coated, you're going to place it on your cookie tray. Because when it goes into the hot oil, we don't want it to be soggy. We want it to be nice and dry. Okay, next you're going to take the shrimp and place them into your hot oil, and be very careful. These are going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to fry. They're really huge. So it depends on the size of shrimp. That's how long you'll fry them. But fry them until they're pink, but don't overcook them. Okay, now I'm going to go in and flip them over. So the shrimp are finished. I'm just going to take them out and drain them on my cookie rack. The cookie rack is going to keep the shrimp nice and crisp, and it will not get soggy on the bottom. Okay guys, the next step will be placing all of your shrimp into a big bowl. And now you're going to take the sauce that we made earlier, and we're going to drizzle it over. I personally don't like to over sauce, but if you like it dredged, feel free to. So I'm actually going in with half of the mixture, and I'm going to toss that to coat. as you're tossing it. If it looks like it needs more, then feel free to add more. You can even pick them up individually and dip them into the mixture. That's another option. So once you think that they're coated well and they have enough sauce on them, now you can plate them. And it smells so good. Look at that beautiful color, guys. So pretty. And that's from the Sriracha sauce. That's why I told you guys, you have to try to get that Sriracha sauce. I got it at Food Town Supermarket here in Florida. Try those specialty stores in Trinidad, should have it. So to garnish, you can use some fresh chopped chives, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use some dried parsley over the top, and I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit of red pepper flakes so that whoever's eating this, they're going to know that it does contain pepper or it's very spicy. And that's it, guys. Here is my version of bang bang shrimp. You can make this with chicken, you can make it with any type of protein you would like. You can even do a tofu version. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you try it, also let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.